Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a rectangle tool. Hold Alt plus Shift and draw the rectangle. Hold Shift and select the pointer and drag. Hold Shift and rotate this. Select this and go to Rotate tool. Hold Alt and select this pointer and adjust in the bottom. Angle 30° pivot, then copy. For more copy, hold Ctrl and press D. Select those and take Reflect tool. Hold Alt and select this pointer and adjust in the bottom. Lift it vertically 90°, then copy. Now select all and change this transparency. We take a circle, hold Alt plus Shift and draw the circle. None this fill color and pick up the stock color. Now we need a line segment tool, hold Shift and draw the line. Select those and increase the stroke value. Select this circle, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this circle. Again hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this another circle. Select all circles and lines and go to Object and Expand. Now you take Shape Builder tool and discard all unnecessary parts. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.